Lauren, as we think about Royce Premier Fund and the strategy, how would you describe what we're trying to accomplish?
With the Royce Premier Fund, we're trying to construct a relatively concentrated portfolio of smaller cap companies in which we have high degree of confidence in their business models. Specifically for a stock to get into the Premier portfolio means that we've developed an extremely high conviction that the company has some sustainable competitive advantage, or as Warren Buffett would call it, an economic moat around its business that will enable the company to continue to compound returns on incremental capital at high rates well into the future.
So developing enterprise conviction, this confidence in the company's business model, is an important part of the process. How do we go about doing that?
Many of the companies that find their way into Premier are ones that we've owned for several years within other more diversified funds at Royce. As a result, we've done a significant amount of analysis of these companies over the years, and we've lived with the companies and management through various economic cycles, changing industry conditions, and company-specific challenges. So when we build positions, we do it incrementally over time and really trying to take advantage of the valuation opportunities that the market presents. A byproduct of this high conviction, long-term approach to investing is relatively low portfolio turnover.
Lauren, you've been an assistant portfolio manager for 8 years on the Royce Premier Fund. Tell us what that role entails.
My responsibilities include generating new stock ideas for the fund, doing maintenance research on and having opinions on our existing holdings, as well as assisting in portfolio construction.
So Steve McCoy was recently named an assistant portfolio manager for the Royce Premier Fund as well. Has Steve been doing research on similar companies with strong economic moats?
Yes, Steve, in his 7 years as a portfolio manager here at Royce, has worked on funds that have a similar quality company focus. So as a result, he's been heavily involved in the conviction building process on a good portion of the names that are in the Premier Fund.